777 Eco-Scale Plus is 4 times stronger than 777 Eco-Scale without being classified as a dangerous good. It provides clients with a low-cost, high-strength solution with lower storage requirements than traditional chemicals for performing heavy descaling tasks.
It is ideal for companies like heavy mining and oil rigs, where you have water supply systems that might scale up periodically, right through to water authorities that might want to unblock limescale from within their water treatment systems.
777 Eco-Scale Plus flushes the scale and calcium buildup easily, simply and quickly. The product is also suitable for large cooling towers for repair generation plants, where shutdown time is critical, shortening labour input and downtime to over 90% of what was normal, only taking hours before being able to bring systems back online. Heavily scaled water supply systems at mining sites often cause pipe blockages, resulting in flow restrictions. In one case, a section of pipe was cut for testing to see if the scale could be removed chemically without damaging the pipe. After being soaked in a solution of 777 Eco-Scale Plus, the scale had softened and loosened from inside the pipe and sediment had dropped to the bottom of the beaker. The scale was removed with no damage or corrosion to the pipework.